to the class. I hope you all are fine. I know it's tough time for everyone, but utilize your time. That's why I'm here to teach you the lesson number 1 in history, French Revolution. In this chapter, I will teach you what was the condition in that time, what kind of the situation that time, what happened at that time, why the French Revolution happened, what was the reason behind that. I will teach you all of these things in this video. So this is your first part. So let's get started.
Hello student. So today I am going to teach you lesson number 1, natural resources. So student, before starting this chapter, I want to give information that whatever I am teaching in this video, please write it down in your copy, because when the school will reopen, I will check your the copy. Okay student. So before starting this chapter, I want to know what is resource, because when you don't know about resource, then you will not able to understand what is natural resource. So okay, so I just wanted to ask a question. Have you wondered about it? Whatever you are using in your daily life, where do they come from? Have you wondered about it? Actually, whatever we are using in our daily life, that all are resource, because these all things come from in nature, from the nature, right student? So in the simple way, you can say anything that is found in nature and has some value or used by the human being are called resources, right student? So our next topic is types of resources. So here are the you can divide in mainly 3 points. First is natural resource, second is your human resource, and third is your human made resources. So in this chapter I will teach you what is the natural resources. The natural resources are those resources that occur naturally and supports life. Okay student, naturally and support life. Naturally means there is no role of a human being. Okay, all the things are made by nature, and it also give us a support for life. It is also give us a support to live on this earth. Example like water, air, sunlight. These are also our natural resources. And in these natural resources we can also include minerals, fossil fuels, forest. These are also called natural resources. In the ancient time, when the people were not so literate and they haven't equipment, you can say, so at that time they were not able to mine. That's why they were not able to understand. That's why at that time we can't say the petrol and fossil fuels were natural resources. But now our technology is so fast, that's why we are using and we are mining right now. That's why we can say, when we found these types of the fossil fuel natural resources like the water, like your petrol, gas, these are also called your natural resources. Okay student, so you also know that the fossil fuel like the petrol we are using for the driving car, and the gases we are also using for the cooking. And you know, water is also very important natural resource, because we are also using for our essential thing like for food and for our daily life. And also we are using the water in the factories for making various types of the thing. Okay students, so water is a very important thing, so use very sincerely water and save the water too. Okay, so we can also classify the resources on the basis of, here are the some point. Their origin are the sources, their stage and developments, and their renewability, their distribution, and their ability. So here are the 5 points, so we can classify on the basis of this. So here is the next topic is given here, what is biotic and abiotic resources. So can you tell me what is biotic and abiotic resources? Because I think you all of you have learned this topic in class 7. Okay, so I will tell you what is biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are all the biological, all living things, you can say that all are called your biotic resources. Like here is the picture of your tiger and rabbit. These two things you can also include in your biotic resources, because like you can see here is also example like a plant, like animal, insects, etc. are also called your biotic environment, or sorry, biotic resources. So what is abiotic resources? Abiotic resources including all the physical and you can say non-living things are called your abiotic resources, like land, mineral, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, climate. These are also called your abiotic resources. Okay students, so here is the another topic is what is actual and potential resources. So actual resources are those quality and quantity. What is quality and quantity are known to us, are called actual resources, like oil, 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 and you can say the hydroelectric, okay, and your hydropower, deposits of iron ore, etc. are the examples of your actual resources. And the next topic is what is the potential resources. So potential resources are known to exist but not being used yet, like a waterfall, like wind, and the solar energies are also called your potential resources. Okay student, so here you can say the actual resources examples are given here. The first, second is the iron ore mining, and third is your what, here is the also, these are two the examples of actual resources, and here are the two examples of your potential resources. Okay, like waterfall and windmill are the example of your potential resources, and here's the iron or the mining and oil resources are called your, these are the two examples of your actual resources. Because what is the actual resources? The resource whose quantity and quality are known to us. We can know what is the quality and quantity of soil, and we can understand and we can know what is the quality and the quantity of all resources. That's why we can say these are called your actual resources. Okay, so our next topic is renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay student, so I hope you all are know what is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Because okay, so I will tell you what is renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources can be renewed or replenished quickly, are known as your natural renewable resources. Like you can say the iron, gold, petrol, etc. the etc. are called your renewable resources. And second is your non-renewable resources, are those resources that cannot develop quickly and they take millions of years. That's why these resources are called your non-renewable resources, right student? So here is also an example, here is also a topic, another topic is continuous resources. Our next topic is continuous resources. So what is the continuous resources? Actually the continuous resources are based on their ability, and do not rely by human action. These resources are also called the continuous resources. It is always available in nature, like your solar energy and tidal energy are the best example of your continuous resources. Okay student, so I will meet you in the next video. I hope you all are understand this all the topics. So make a proper note. I will meet you in the next video. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.